There is no reason, no need for us to talk about privatizing our recycling program here in Chicago when the recycling program that we have now could work if we just put a little energy, creativity, and innovation to it. The issue is whether or not we're going to take advantage of the opportunity to recycle, to make it a profit center, if you will, for the city of Chicago, or if we're going to continue to just strike private deals and let somebody else do it. We have, I believe, an obligation to be responsible and responsive to the citizens of this city, to do the best job that we can in managing the city to their benefit. And recycling is a major part of that. There is no reason why a ward is deprived of the opportunity to recycle when the citizens want to do so. We've got stacks and stacks and stacks and stacks of these bins that, if nothing else, should be deployed around to those wards that are asking, begging for them. I'm just saying, let's rationalize the process. Let's manage it better. That in managing it better, we will get efficiencies not only on the recycling side of the equation, but also on the side of the equation that has to do with our waste management.